So after weeks of telling myself that I wasn't going to upgrade from an iPhone 10 to an iPhone XS Max, here I am with the iPhone XS Max. Now, there's a couple of things that prompted me to upgrade my phone. So for one, after using the Max in store, my iPhone 10 suddenly felt really small, and I really wanted that bigger screen real estate. The second thing that really prompted me is the market for selling iPhone 10s is actually really amazing right now, so I got a pretty good deal from that. The third thing was the camera. I really do think that Apple really undersold this camera at the keynote. This phone takes incredible pictures from what I've seen online, especially with comparisons between the iPhone XS and the 10 because of computational photography, which was really pushed to the limits in this phone. So I'm really excited about that. The Pixel line has had this for quite some time, and I really do feel now that the iPhone is at that level or even greater. So I'm pretty excited about that. So those are the three big things that prompted me to upgrade to this phone, and it was just kind of unexpected for me. I really didn't think I would do so. So in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing this. I know it's a little bit late, but I thought I might as well since I have this new phone with me. So let's get started. So the box looks very similar to last year's model. You have the iPhone image on the top, and then you have on the sides the iPhone and the classic Apple sign on the top part. So let's go ahead and open this. So we're going to pull this apart. Wrap it, flip it over. Pull this to the top. And here is a beautiful XS Max. Let's see this out. Wow, this is huge. I'm really excited to use this phone. Like as I mentioned earlier, the screen is a big game changer. Like look how big this screen is. It's huge. It's like having an iPad in my hand. It's only because the screen is as big as the phone, but this is huge. This is the same size, I can't believe it, as the Plus. But because of that big screen, this is actually a huge game changer. I'm going from a 5.8-inch screen to a 6.5-inch, and I am excited. So in the box, we have the standard charger, which is not USB-C. I don't know why they're still giving this really bad charger with the phones. We have the ear pods to lightning cable. I really only use my AirPods, so that's that. And the standard USB-A to lightning cable, which I really hope Apple changes to a USB-C because I would like some fast charging. Let's see what's included with the packaging. So inside we have the standard hello, we have the whoa. Is that what I see right there? That is the SIM ejector. It's back. For some reason in the past few phones that I've gotten, I haven't received that. So I'm really excited to see that instead of using my earring to open the phone to put my SIM in. We have the Apple stickers, which I never remembered if they were on the white before, but now it's translucent background. And you have the standard hello and how to use the phone. Ooh, and it's really colorful too. That's very colorful. So that was the unboxing of the XS Max. It was pretty standard unboxing for an iPhone. So the only thing that's really changed in the packaging is that there's no more lightning to auxiliary adapter in the box. So yeah, that was the unboxing. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you really like this video, then go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, guys.